Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Yes, today I wanted to talk about opening up yourself to a world of new possibilities. If you didn't notice, the last 2 years taught us so many things. Taught us how to spend some time alone. Taught us how to create in different ways. Taught us that the normal traditional things we thought can be stopped in a matter of, days, weeks. We learned things about saving, things about creativity, things about being with your family members. We learned so much, even creating businesses, and you're stopped in your tracks just as the business is going to boom. Industries stopped like 100%. Remember tourism, it just stopped. Entertainment just stopped. And what does that mean to us? Now that, the world is opening up again, we have to take those lessons from then and use them now. And how are we going to use them? Being open to new possibilities, creative ways of doing things. Many people who were, maybe we can say, successful before the lockdowns are trying to bring the same techniques then to bring them and apply them now. It's not going to work. We've changed so much. The way we think, the way we do things, the way we handle money, the way we handle our friends and family. We've realized not all things are that important. Spending so many months without even seeing our families, and we remember we are still one, even though you are at a distance. Remembering that all this extra noise, keeping up with the Joneses is too irrelevant. Remembering that, yes, saving for the future is a good idea, because you never know when everything just stops and you actually need to show up, and show up in your bank account. So when I talk about new possibilities, I'm talking about allowing new experiences, going on adventures. Read a book that is not in your normal field. Interact with people who are not of your kind. If you're a business person, interact with people maybe who are maybe corporate, just doing their 9 to 5. You will learn something, because at the end of the day, we are going to have to blend things from different industries in order to create something new. So you'll see that you have to collect a wide range of knowledge base in order to come up with a path that is flexible enough to achieve what you want to achieve, but achieve it with the changing times. And this flexibility is not going away. It's going to be a consistent rhythm in our lives, in our processes, in everything we do. Whether it's in your personal life, whether it's in your business life, your love life, relationship life, whichever, there has to be that level of flexibility and change with the changing times. This is almost like a requirement of the new era, because things are changing and they are changing fast. Those who refuse to change with the changing times. Remember the dinosaurs? You start to get extinct. Society starts to push you off on the side because you're failing to integrate with the new process. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I hope this helps. Leave me any questions. And for those who are asking about my books, yes, send me a WhatsApp message. Or you can come and pick them from here, Sunshine. Actually, I'm at my office right now in Chitintal. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.